The Master of Chiropractic course at USW is an exciting opportunity to become part of an evolving regulated healthcare profession. We've been going for 25 years, so we've got a very successful history. If we take the last 2 years, our year 4s who have graduated, 100% of those students have gone into employment within 6 months of graduating from our course. Most of them go into private practice, multidisciplinary clinics, sports teams is a big one. We've had quite a lot of investment into the course. We've got very specific facilities, the anatomized table, the force sensing table technology, the hydro simulation suite. There's not many institutions can say they've got all of those. We're having a new clinic built, which is going to be right beside our teaching facilities, and we're expecting it to be built in April 2025. The final year in the chiropractic program is a 12-month program where students have to develop clinical competencies. We have an in-house clinic in April 2025. It will be our brand new clinic building. Students are in there for 12 months, but they also have got separate hospital visits. We've got the highest level of national satisfaction student scores. We've been at the top for the last 3 or 4 years. If making a meaningful difference to patients' lives is something that really appeals to you, then come and join us today.